getting the Atio6axx.dll error after a software update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. To begin our Atio6axx troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This DLL file is a 64-bit AMD OpenGL driver library. It provides the necessary routines for hardware-accelerated 3D graphics using the OpenGL API, essential for professional design software and legacy 3D game titles on AMD hardware. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Atio6axx.dll is required for AMD Radeon Software to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of AMD Radeon Software will repair missing or broken application files. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Atio6axx component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. If you're attempting to register the Atio6axx.dll yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including the Atio6axx management references. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching the Atio6axx today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.